Hi, I'm Bob from All New. Today I'm going to show you how to use the blue sponge included in your kit. We're just going to take our step 1, 4. We don't want it to be too saturated. So I am going to squeeze, and you'll see a little bit here in your tray. And in case I want to use the other side, I just like to squeeze it both ways. Now I'm ready to use the sponge to get into all the contours and the details of the table. So I am going to go back over areas that we've already cleaned, just making sure that we did a full complete job. Just want to make sure we get a nice uniform application of the step 1 clean product. Now I'm going to show you how to apply the step 2 protect product to the microfiber sponge. So here I'm going to put the product up to the mouth. Put a couple spots on the sponge. And I'm going to squeeze it together, distribute the product. We don't want it to be dripping wet or really saturated. We're just going to put a nice light coat on. As we apply, we do want to use a swirling technique. We're applying it lightly, and that's intended to get into, most tables have some shapes and contours, and so as you swirl, it helps you get on the edges and get a full uniform coverage of the table. So I'm going to press down a little bit, but not too hard. And all I'm going to do, and it may not even look like you're doing a lot, but you put a nice thin coat, give it a little bit of shine, a little bit of gloss. I'm just going to swirl it in. Thin coat, we don't want a thick coat. Thank you for watching. For more tips and techniques on all the all-new products and applications, visit us online.